Hello everyone, my name is Naya. In this video, I will explain how to care for your contact lenses. This video guide is not intended to replace or substitute the instruction sheet included in the product packaging. In order to make sure your eyes are healthy, that you are able to wear contact lenses, and to get a detailed tutorial on how to use, it's recommended you get a proper contact lens fitting by a professional eye care specialist. Contact lenses are available in various types and materials for people with different eye conditions. Wearing contact lenses is safe, but it does require a certain level of responsibility and proper hygiene to avoid potential risks such as infections. Let's begin with the best practices with your Primal contacts.
Firstly, limit your wear to no more than 8 hours daily, and replace your contacts every 3 months. Always clean them with a suitable multi-purpose solution. Never use saliva or tap water. Your contact case should be cleaned every 2 days without mixing old and new solutions, and replaced every 3 months or sooner if damaged or dirty. Sharing contact lenses or wearing them to sleep is a definite no. Avoid using contacts if they are damaged, dirty, or if you are under eye medication. Special caution is needed for driving with some colored patterns that may alter your vision. If you had a laser eye treatment, you should have a professional fitting exam before using contact lenses. Remove your contacts before swimming. Apply makeup only after your lenses are in. Handling your lenses with tweezers or similar tools is not recommended due to the risk of damage. Remember, Primal contact lenses are designed for individuals 16 years and older. Always keep your lenses at room temperature between 15 and 25 Celsius.
It's now time to learn how to safely insert your Primal contact lenses. Putting in your contacts may seem intimidating for beginners, and you may need some help at first. However, the process becomes straightforward once you get used to it. Before opening the lens case, inspect for tear, leaks, or physical defects. Remember, do not use the product if the sterile blister package is opened or damaged. Wash your hands and dry them off with a lint-free towel before you handle your contacts. Do not get soaps, lotions, cosmetics, sprays, or deodorants in contact with your eye or contact lenses. Once you are ready, use the padding of your fingertips to lift your contacts from your lens case. Place the lens in your palm and gently rinse it with a fresh multi-purpose solution. Avoid having your contact lenses come in contact with your fingernails. They can cause tears. Use fingertips instead. Thoroughly inspect the shape of your lens and ensure they're not inside out. Use the non-dominant hand to hold your eyelid. Hold the eyelid down as you insert your contacts. Look up at the ceiling so you are less likely to blink. Release the eyelid and blink a few times and your lenses align in the center. Discard the old solution, then leave your case to dry after a thorough cleanup. We recommend you use re-wetting eye drops if you suffer from dry eyes, and remember to use only proper multi-purpose solution to clean and store your contacts. If you encounter any challenges or discomfort while inserting your contacts, it is best to consult with your eye doctor. Now it's time to remove your lens. Follow these easy steps. Wash your hands and dry them off with a lint-free towel before you handle your contacts. Use the non-dominant hand to hold your eyelid. Use the index finger and thumb of your dominant hand to pinch the lens and take it out. Place the lens in the palm of your hand and rub it with a few drops of fresh contact lens solution. After rubbing the lens, rinse it off with more solution to get rid of any extra debris and bacteria that may be resting on the lens. Fill the lens case with fresh solution. You need enough to submerge the lens completely and store them in their designated case. If you encounter any of the following symptoms: stinging, burning, itching, or other eye discomfort, excessive watering, unusual eye secretions, redness, poor vision, blurred vision, halos around objects, or sensitivity to light, immediately remove the lenses. If the problem stops, examine the lens carefully. If the lens is damaged, do not put the lens back on the eye. Place the lens in the storage container and contact our customer care department. In case the lens has a foreign material and the lens appears undamaged, thoroughly clean the lens, rinse and reinsert. After reinsertion, if the problems continue, immediately remove the lenses and consult your eye care professional. As we wrap up this video, keep in mind that it's always available for you to revisit for a refresher on the correct way to use contact lenses. We hope you've enjoyed this video and that you will enjoy your experience with Primal contact lenses.